my gratitude to the party for expressing the confidence in my capability to contest the by-election, which is necessitated by the sudden demise of our beloved former MP, Dr. Syngkon. As a loyal and a foot soldier of the party, I'm very grateful to the party, and my assurance to the party is that I will do my level best to ensure that and to see that the party's ideology, the party's discipline, the party's principle, and the party's vision for the state would be upheld. We are very confident about that the people are with us, because from 2023 we have been serving the people in the best way we can. Then after the MP election also, our beloved former MP, Dr. Syngkon, he did his level best, and rather he set a high benchmark for any party to who comes after. And even our MDCs also, they are very committed to the cause of the people. And judging from what we have been doing with the issues and the services to the people, I am confident that the people are with us, and we will be able to get a big victory. But having said that, we don't take any election lightly. Any election is an election, and it has its own dynamics, and we have to take it seriously. You see, this is what I believe. Yes, I would say that even I myself, when I go to vote, I will remember Dr. Syngkon. I will definitely remember him. It would be rather an emotional day for me to, to go and vote on any election, on election day, which is necessary to fill the gap created by the demise of our MP. So I believe that the people will not vote simply because they are emotional. The people, they vote because no doubt that they love Dr. V's, our beloved Dr. Syngkon, definitely. And besides that, I would say that the people, they have also the love and affection for the party and also for the future of the state. Because the vision of the party is for the future of the state, for the welfare of the people. So all these factors will contribute towards, I would say, the success of the party in the future. We are 100% confident, but we are not overconfident.